Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very simple mango nice cream. If you're not familiar with nice cream, it's just frozen fruit that you blend in a food processor. Usually I make it with banana, but today I'm going to be doing it with mango because I'm not sure how many of you know what a mangonada is, but it is one of my favorite things ever, and I was lucky enough to find this chamoy sauce at our local grocery store, and now I am obsessed and I'm going to show you how to make your own Mangonada, which is by adding this to the mango puree. But if you don't really like the spice with it, it's kind of like a chili sauce. You can just do it the regular way. But this just makes it amazing, and I do hope you'll try it. So let's get started. Well, that's it, guys. Super simple, like I said, and delicious. If you are going to give this a try, comment below, let me know what you think about it. I promise you will not be disappointed. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.